I think we may be on the wrong side of Pasadena, and the grass ain't no shade greener. It's just a little detour from the place we set out for when we left the church last Easter, singing hallelujah preacher. I know just what I ought to do. I'm gonna count my blessings like I never dropped out of school. I'm gonna give forgiveness like I got nothing left to lose. And if Jesus returns soon, his chariots are blazing, I will do my best to follow him to you. I think we may be on the wrong side of 24. We ain't growing like the weeds grow, we're just getting old. And I can't really remember if the world is black and white, or if I'm living it right, as the kids these days would say. So I'm gonna count my blessings like I never dropped out of school. I'm gonna give forgiveness like I got nothing left to lose. And if Jesus returns soon, his chariots are blazing, I will do my best to follow him to you. I hope we end up on the right side of Pasadena. What we say is always easy when it's just what we aim to do. But I guarantee if it's just left up to me, I'll be tripping on my feet, trying to turn myself around. Oh yes, I guarantee if it's just left up to me, I'll be tripping on my feet, trying to turn myself around. Should I change my thinking soon? 'Cause I've got everything to lose. But I tied my one heartstring to you. I didn't know, but I'd rather you hold my heart and break it than to keep it here and save it, honey. Oh, we don't have to say. Oh, that nightfall, oh, there's no escape at all. I can't hide behind these walls. You're coming like nightfall. heart and break it, and to keep it here and save it, honey. Oh, we don't have to say it. Oh, that night falls. Oh, there's no escape at all. I can't hide behind these walls. You're coming like nightfall. In morning light to keep me from looking back into your eyes, 'cause I just remember you and say you could hold my heart and break it. Hold my heart and break it. I'd rather you hold my heart and break it than to keep it here and save it, honey. Oh, we don't have to say it. You're coming like nightfall. Oh, there's no escape at all. I can't hide behind these walls. You're coming like nightfall. Should I change my thinking soon? 'Cause I've got everything to lose. But I tied my one heartstring to you.
I've seen the world on my own, but it doesn't look the same. Black and blue, and I don't know why I ever looked away. The sun is always shining, even when it goes away. Until it comes back around, I'm here to light the way. We're better together. Better together. We're better together. We're better together. I can see the world through the lens of us every time I look at you. The color fills the open skies in ways I never knew. So waves of change are coming, crashing in the blue. Right until the morning light, I'm holding on to you. We're better together. Better together. We're better together. Better together.
first time looked in your eyes, girl, I lost my mind. I'm thinking you're the one. Why'd I jump the gun? Say I want to just to smile. Yes, it's true. So we could live so sweetly. I could spend my days with you. I shouldn't love you. I don't know, but I do. Hold your breath for me now. I won't be long. Hold that heart for me now. I'm coming home. Next time look in your eyes, I'll break down and cry. I almost lost the one. Lord, what have I done? Say I waited all my lifetime for you. I am yours completely. Lay down my life for you. I always love you, Michelle. You know it's true. Hold your breath for me now. I won't be long. Hold that heart for me now. I'm coming home. Hold your breath for me now. I won't be long. Oh yeah. Hold that heart for me now. I'm coming home. Na na na.
Fishing out on the lake. Well, it don't come with a master plan.